All right, guys, in today's lesson, we are going to practice finding factors and multiples of a number. We're going to practice first finding factors. Now, factors are numbers you multiply together to get another number. When we're stuck on factors, when in doubt, build an array. Remember, our arrays are made up of columns and rows. So right here, I am going to look for all the factors of the number 10. So I'm going to make my factor tree. We know when we are finding factors of a number, we don't even have to waste time finding our first factor pair because we know we can always make one row of that number, one in itself. That's always the first factor pair, one and itself. We're not even going to waste our time building it. We just know it like that. All right, now I'm going to try 2 rows and I'm going to see if I can make an array with 2 rows. Remember, when I'm making an array, I can't have any leftover pieces. It has to make a perfect rectangle. This is good to go. I have 2 rows set and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row. So I have 2 rows of 5. I'm good to go. Next, I'm going to try 3 rows. Let's see if that'll work. I'm going to take my tiles and I'm going to move them over, and it looks like, oh, that's not going to work. 3 rows doesn't work because I have this one piece left. I cannot add any other tiles to this because this is it. I'm only looking for the number 10. 3 doesn't work. Let's try 4 rows. Here is 4 rows, and nope, doesn't work. I have these 2 left over. Let's try 5 rows. 5 works. Oh, but wait, I already have a 5 here listed. So that's how I know to stop. And these are it. These are my only factors. So my factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. We have to go in number order from least to greatest. So we just have to list them out. So the number 10 has 1, 2, 3, 4 factors, and these are them. All right. Now I want to find the multiples of 10. So when I'm looking for the multiples of 10, I am finding the product of a whole number and any other whole number. So I'm looking for the answers. And when I'm looking for multiples, I'm going to skip count. So if I want to skip count and look for multiples of 10, here we go. I'm going to start with 10 and I'm skip counting to find the multiples. So 20, 30, 40, 50, and I would keep going. 60, 70, 80, and keep going. What if I wanted to find the multiples of 2? I would just skip count by 2. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and keep going. So when I'm looking for the factors, I'm going to build an array and make a factor tree. When I'm looking for the multiples, that's when I'm going to skip count. All right, guys. Hope this helped. You got this.